Whether you are a student in college, school, or you are preparing for any other exam, you may have noticed that whenever you start studying any new chapter of any book which is not related to your past knowledge, you are unable to recall it after some time. You finished reading that chapter, and after some time, you are not able to recall that chapter. You start looking at notes, what you studied, you start underlining the uh, descriptions of that headings or subheadings of that chapter, but you are doing wrong thing, because in this way you are wasting lot of time and lot of energy. So here in this video I am going to explain you how you can recall as much as possible from any chapter you studied. This method is called SQ3R technique. S means scanning, Q means question, and 3 R's are read, recite, and recall. Whenever you open any new chapter of a book, just scan through that chapter from first page to last page. Scan the headings, subheadings, diagrams, figures, and facts, like facts tables given in that chapter. Scan through that. Don't read in detail, just scan. Just give only 2 or 3 seconds to everything. After that, what you have to do is make questions based on every topic, every heading. Make questions in your mind. After that, write that questions in a paper. This thing is called questioning. And after that, start reading. Why you start reading? That reading should have purpose. The purpose of that reading should be to get the answers of those questions which you written on that paper. Get those answers from that headings, subheadings, and from full chapter. Like that, you complete full chapter by reading in that way. After that comes recite. Now you have to close the book. You read all the topics. Write down the answers of that questions which you written on that paper. If you are able to recall that answers, then it is okay. But if you are not able to write the answer, open book again and go to that particular heading from which the question is related. Read again that paragraph or descriptions. Write the answers. After that, when you completed all the answers of questions, close the book again. Now recall full chapter just by sitting. Don't do anything. Keep your pen and paper away. Just memorize simply what you studied from first page of the chapter to last page. Everything clear? Now this thing is called recall. If you are able to recall the full chapter at the end, then it is okay. Then you had done good thing. Then your strategy is good. If you are again not able to recall it, then within 24 hours read that chapter again. And this time you will get less time to read that chapter. Don't spend same time as you spent first time in reading that chapter. Just go through that chapter like doing revision. Within 24 hours you will get one revision. After within 7 days do second revision, and within 21 days do third revision. Like that, in 21 days you will get 3 revisions. And I am sure after doing all these things, you will not forget the things from that chapter for lifelong. It will go to your long term memory from short term memory. So, whenever you are sitting anywhere, and if anyone asks you questions from that chapter, you can easily answer that. So try this technique while studying for any exam. It will be very helpful for you.